yak ni kesengi haki weipat ki Bynta ke Jylla. Hadian beladek pelat ya ka website jong ka Conclave, Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma ulaong bahak ni ka Conclave ka Nyngkong tam kandon ke jingya shim Bynta na baro ka wei kari bat na bari kumju. Uben rap ru syu ba on Pynlong yakane ke jingya snokti ringkat bat ketenat sarkar Jylla ki ba pher bat ketenat Jal Shakti. Lakmi linti ba Menteri ketenat Jal Shakti onya shim Bynta hak Bynta ke Nyngkong jong kene ka Conclave. Kimat ki banya kren hak ka Conclave Pynlong halor ke jing penbiang ya ki ombam omdi hanong ba Shillong hak ba on penyat da ka jingya snokti ringkat ka IIM Shillong. Lakmi linti ba ki nong shim Bynta kenya mir jingmut lang ya ki but thamai ban weng ya ki jing hak bia day bat ki ombam omdi bat ka kwat ka khia.
Particular International Water Conference, Conclave. This is being done in collaboration with different departments of the government of Meghalaya, including the Climate Council and the different water-related departments. And also, more importantly, we are collaborating and working jointly with the Jal Shakti Ministry, Government of India. And the Honorable Minister for Jal Shakti will also be attending this conference in the inaugural session, which will be held on February 9th, and the conclave will continue till February 10th.